Hello guys, how are you? Welcome back to the channels, and now in this tutorial we are going to discuss optionals in Swift. What are the optional in Swift? Optionals are the kind of a variable in Swift which contain or may not contain the value depending on the situations. Suppose I'm gonna discuss a standard example. Suppose you have a person can have a first name, middle name, and last name, but most of the person doesn't have a middle name. Just like me, I don't have a middle name. My name is Sanamvar and Ali. So Sanamvar is the first name, and Ali is the last names. But I don't have a middle name. But some people have, just like a famous cricketer of India, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. He has got the middle name as well. So in that case, we need a kind of a variable which should be optional. If it contains value, then it's fine. But if it doesn't contain value, then it should also fine. So optionals is used in that situation. So let's discuss the example. So let first name of a string and equal to Sachin Sachin and let middle name string Ramesh and let last name as a last name of kind of a string, and it should have TEN Dulkar. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. Yeah, it's Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. And he's complaining this. Yes, it's not. It should not complain. Okay. So if I should actually print the full name of this of Sachin Tendulkar, then I will print like this: the full name of kind of a string. Here I will print just like this. First name, comma, slash middle name, middle name, and slash last name. That's great. Let's print it. Print full name. That's great. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is printing here. Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar is printing here down the bottoms. Yeah, that's great. But some people doesn't have middle name. Let's suppose Sachin doesn't have a middle name and he put it like nil. And now you can see that it's crashed. It's crashed. It's saying that nil can't initialize specialized type of strings. Optional in Swift. Not yes. So it should be optional. If it's now it is optional. I'm giving question mark to this, and it means it's optional now. So if you don't have a value, so you can put it's optional. But if it doesn't contain value, then suppose it contain value now, so uh, it means it has a value, but it is showing in output that optional. Sachin optional Ramesh Tendulkar. It means I should remove optional keywords from here. So I will unwrap it. Unwrapped is used where you have actually you want to get value from the optionals. It means I should unwrap it, and now you can see that optional has gone. Now it's Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar, but it's very dangerous to do like this without checking the value of without checking the value of the variable. You are just having force unwrapping it. Suppose it doesn't have a value and we are unwrapping it. Let's discuss this issue as well. Let's see what happened, and it's crashing unexpectedly found nil while unwrapping an optional. So you should take care of that things as well. You have to consider that thing as well, whether the variables contain a value or not. Excuse me. So middle name, you are unwrapping it but it doesn't contain a value and it's a nil. So how you can actually unwrap it? The best way of unwrapping or and getting the value from optionals is actually to check the sorry, excuse me. To check actually check it fast. Suppose do something like this. If middle name not equal to nil, then you can actually print here not equal to nil. It means it contain a value and you can forcefully unwrap it. Suppose yeah, Ramesh. So now you can actually it's unwrap it. If you are checking here whether middle name is nil or not. It is not excuse me. It is not nil, so it's printing pretty well. But if it is nil, let's discuss this cat. And if it is nil, then you have to actually you need to print something like this. You have to print something like this so that actually yeah, this suppose now it is nil, then you actually need to do only one thing, nil, and it is not crashing now. Yeah, Sachin Tendulkar, it's printing, it's coming on this blog. So the first way to handle actually nil optional variables and unwrapping it, use if statement, if else statement. The second way, also gonna discuss the second way as well. This is the standard way. The second way is that you can check actually, you can use you can use yeah, if let a middle name equal to middle name, then you can actually print something similar. Here you print actually middle name rather than middle name m name. Yes, M name, middle name, and it will print fine. Yeah, it will print fine because it is printing what is it is printing. And let's comment it out so that you can understand only that thing. If middle name is equal to nil, then we will print not equal to nil. Then we print actually this. Otherwise, else block else we will print the similar thing. First name and last name. Yes, the full name would go here, but in the this case we don't have a middle name, so it's going here on the else part. Else part. This is the standard way of dealing with optionals. But if it contain the middle name, then it should go on this block. It will check whether the options value contain a value or not. If it contain, it will put it in this variable m name, and we will print m name here. First name, m name, and last name. M name means middle name and last name. And then we are printing full name. We are just we hold it the value on full name, and we are just printing the full name here. So in this case, it's going on the else part. And it's printing Sachin Tendulkar. But let's suppose Sachin Tendulkar has their middle name as well, Ramesh. Now now you can see it's going on the on this part, Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar. It's printing the full name of Sachin Ramesh Tendulkar here. So this is the best way of dealing with optionals. Thanks guys for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed it. If you enjoyed it, please like it, subscribe me, and ask questions in the comment sections if you have any doubt. Thank you very much. See you again.